I literally just woke up. It is, I think it's 6:23, so it's June 23rd, 2022. It is, what time is it? 10:46 a.m. This dream that I had was very interesting. I'm sorry because I can't remember everything that was said or done. I can remember most of the stuff that was done, but I can't remember everything that was said. I used to go to Holmes High School in Covington, Kentucky. It used to be a castle back in the day. Well, they turned into school. So we was next to that castle. So there's like another school next to the castle. It's some type of I want to say it was some type of like a. It's another school, but it's a not a Catholic school. Like a preparatory school or something like that. Academy, some type of school like that. But I think it's for the gifted. I just don't know yet. I know more things that come to me later on. Right now, I'm just like, just woke up. Okay, so, um, the one thing that I noticed was people was sick. People was getting sick in there. I don't remember why I was there or why I even went there. I go upstairs. Somehow, some way, I lost. Fuck, what was the? Oh, damn it! But anyway, some way, somehow, I had wrote something down and lost the damn paperwork with my phone. I ended up finding it at the end, but during this time, I lost it. Some little white boy had gave me some instructions to go or how to get to somewhere. Whatever I was trying to do, I was trying to get somewhere. And while he did that, he was showing me around, but something had happened where the lights went out. No, next door, which was Holmes High School, basically. They was having like a they was about to behead somebody. What the fuck going on? They about to behead that motherfucker? But it got to the point where nobody could see this. So they turned off all the lights and the security came up and shuffled everybody in the house. So apparently this boy was part of security because he got to stay outside. Sorry, my sinuses is fucking with me. Anyway, um when he came back in, like everybody was trying to go back outside, but everybody said fuck it. So the ones that knew him, I guess that was cool with him, we all sat. I guess I know. I don't know. I guess I do know him now. Anyway, we sat by. We sat by and waited, basically, like that. In spirit, I must know him. But in life, in this life, I don't know him. So we sat down and waited for him. Damn, I forgot to tell him. Give me that stuff. Anyway, when we sat down and waited for him to come back, what he do? He came back different. He went. No, he was out there normal. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they beheaded him or not. Beheaded that person. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. They was all in. Apparently, it was raining. They had an umbrella. There was like a priest or somebody that was sitting in front. I mean, standing with them. Then you had the guillotine, not the guillotine, but because it wasn't the guillotine. It's like an old school type of, not even the old school, like the Japanese type of thing where they just gonna cut your motherfucking head off. That's how it was. And then you had people behind them watching. I don't know if they was the witness or whatever, but it was crazy. Hold on, I'm blowing my nose. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Then I don't. I know I'm not tripping, but my face is not my face. I can tell. I don't know. I don't know. I could be tripping, but it look a little different. Little boy
Anyway,
came back in. He came running back in. He had these red things over his eye. I mean, over his head. He had a red thing like he's been connected to a machine or something. You know what I'm saying? So but they was red around here, and his eyes was red as fuck. Like motherfuckers was scared. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared at first. I was. Excuse me. Cause sometimes, excuse me. So the little boy ran upstairs. No, people ran upstairs. I ran downstairs. You know me. I ran downstairs. Anyway, since I ran downstairs, he ran after me. He ran to me. I'm like, what the fuck? But then as he's running down the steps to me, he's not chasing me to chase me you know to fuck with me. He's chasing me, asking me questions. So I asked him questions, or to tell me certain shit that need to be told. And I'm gonna be honest, I fucking forgot. Damn everything he fucking said, and I'm pissed because it was messages. So the first message was, something about God. All gods are gods, or all something is gods. The next thing he said, I didn't. Then I said, which God did you speak to? Once I finally got in my head, like he's asking you questions, he's trying to tell you what's going on, or what he saw, or what he said, or what was somebody said to him. And so I asked him, it's my bad shit. I asked him, what God did you talk to? It's my first one. He said, all of them. I said, okay. He said, I can taste. Oh, fuck. I can taste what they taste. I said, okay. I can feel what they feel. I said, okay. I wonder if he was an angel. Hold on. Then he went to say, like I said, I can't remember everything. Then he said something about a Perusian man. A Perusian man. He said, I could taste what he just ate. And then he spit out some type of seed. I don't know if it was a fruit with a seed in it. Whatever it was, it had a seed in it. Then he started throwing up. It ain't no regular throwing up. He just throwing the fuck up. So when he started throwing up, I had to make sure, you know what I'm saying, make sure he was right. But the fucked up part was after he threw up, it all came back into him. It all sucked back into him. There, everything he just threw up just sucked back to him. I was like, what the fuck? I'm like, bleh. You know what I'm saying? Threw up, whatever. I was like, what the fuck? He said, do you see me? Do you understand me? Fuck no. I'm Saudi. Watch. Later on, I'ma understand it, and then I'ma know who he is. Cause right now, no. That just, I ain't gonna lie, the throwing up and then sucking all back. When I tell you this month, he threw up hella fucking fluids. I can't even say it was water because I don't fucking know. But it looked like water because it was clear. But he threw up hella fucking fluids. When I say hella, I mean 2 to 3 gallons of fucking water. He threw the fuck up. I'm gonna say water because that's what I'm guessing it was. He threw up so much fucking water, and I'm like, well, goddamn. Then afterwards, I was able to go find my, like, I don't know what happened between the transmission. I don't know what happened with the transmission afterwards. And then I seen somebody and they had my phone and my phone and my the papers I needed. Remember, I can't remember what the fuck I was doing or trying to go. So I went into the boys' locker room and everybody was naked and shit. I ain't gonna lie, dick was slanging everywhere. I'm like, well, anyway. Boy, look. Motherfuckers got some big dicks in the spirit world, babe. I'm gonna leave that alone. But anyway, wow, that's all I can say. I don't even know who the fuck these motherfuckers is, but goddamn, I was looking like, wow, okay. So the one that had my phone and shit in my paperwork, little nasty motherfucker. Like this. Like, cause he said, I ain't gonna say a demon boy. Oh yeah. The gifted, cause that's what I'm gonna call him, gifted. He his voice was very deep. Like demonic deep. But what is demonic? I knew he wasn't demonic. And I think that's what scared everybody because his voice. And the way he looked, cause he didn't been changed. It's like he shape shifted into something different. Like I said, he had I can't even say a crown because it wasn't a crown. It was like these, like he was on the machine, and it was on his head. Well, shit, it was like a crown. And it was red. Well, damn. But he took it off, and then his eyes was deeply red. Not the pupils, like around him, it was red as fuck. I don't know. Like his eyes per se wasn't deep, wasn't. You know what I'm saying? But they was normal, but around his eyes was, you know what I mean? Red, deep red. Like, they should have been fucking black. Because it looked like somebody punched it. I'm not going to say it looked like somebody punched him, but that's the only way I can fucking explain it. And then it just swelled up like a black eye, but it wasn't a black eye. It was fucking red. It was all red. If y'all have an idea who the hell I was talking to, I know some of y'all want to say, oh, that was the devil. No, it was not. Could have been somebody demonic. Could have been. I don't know. But it didn't look like it. I didn't feel that. That's the reason I stopped and started talking to him. Because, you know what I mean? Everything that everybody think is demonic is not. Everything that you talk to that you think is good is not. So, he had messages for me. I don't remember them all. The shit that he was saying while I was walking down the steps, I don't remember. I don't. I just remember certain things, and I wish I could remember that shit because I believe that could have been important for everybody. Well, let me get off here. I'll talk to y'all later.